In today's rapidly evolving manufacturing landscape, connectivity and automation are no longer luxuries, they're necessities. But with increased connectivity comes increased risk. Cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and targeted, posing a significant danger to your operations, your data, and your bottom line. Imagine the impact of a cyber attack on your production line grinding to a halt, sensitive intellectual property being compromised, or even the safety of your personnel being put at risk. The consequences can be devastating. This is where the IEC 62443 standard steps in. It's the globally recognized framework for addressing and mitigating cybersecurity risks in industrial automation and control systems, the very backbone of modern manufacturing. Think of IEC 62443 as your comprehensive roadmap to a secure industrial environment. It provides a structured and systematic approach to identify vulnerabilities, implement robust security measures, and establish a resilient defense against cyber threats. This standard isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about building a culture of security that protects your critical assets. By adhering to IEC 62443, you can achieve tangible benefits including reduced risk, proactively identify and address vulnerabilities before they can be exploited, improved operational uptime, minimize the likelihood of costly disruptions caused by cyber attacks, enhanced data security, protect your valuable intellectual property and sensitive operational data, increased regulatory compliance, meet evolving industry regulations and customer expectations, and stronger stakeholder confidence, demonstrate your commitment to security to customers, partners, and investors. Navigating the complexities of IEC 62443 can seem daunting. That's where ACH Solutions comes in. We are your trusted partner in securing your industrial future. At ACH Solutions, we offer a comprehensive suite of assessment services based on the IEC 62443 standard, tailored to the unique needs and challenges of manufacturing customers like you. Our expert team will work closely with you to understand your specific environment. We'll analyze your existing industrial control systems and identify critical assets. We'll conduct thorough gap assessments and evaluate your current security posture against the requirements of IEC 62443. Then we'll develop customized security strategies, creating a prioritized roadmap for implementing the necessary security controls. And of course, we'll provide ongoing support and guidance, helping you maintain and improve your security posture over time. Our assessment services provide you with a clear understanding of your security risks and a practical path towards achieving compliance and building a resilient industrial cybersecurity framework. We empower you to take control of your security, protect your operations, and ensure a sustainable future for your manufacturing business. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in the security of your industrial operations today. Contact ACH Solutions to learn more about how our IEC 62443 assessment services can help you build a stronger, more secure, and more resilient manufacturing future.